You are proud of being farmers. Try to attract new people on this very important sector, because it is really a sector which contributes to make the future of this country better. It is in this regard that we have been working very hard to expand agriculture. And we believe that agriculture should be treated, any allocation of funds, any support to agriculture should be treated as an investment, and agriculture sector should be treated as an economic sector. When the agricultural surplus, when the agricultural output grows, when the surplus is created, then all those who are involved in the agriculture sector will benefit, because the surplus will be distributed among themselves. And therefore, when we are trying to get agriculture to grow, we want maximum number of people to participate, because when agricultural surplus is created, then maximum number of people will benefit. Resilience is your capacity as individuals, as communities, to face whichever situation is thrown at you. So it's your capacity to face the events. Therefore, every little institution, formal or informal, any size of farmer, any household matters to us. And we want all the households in the rural area to be connected to the agriculture sector, so that when the surplus is created, those households will benefit. When we choose a sector, when we choose a project, we don't do it randomly. It might sound random in some instances, because we do a little bit of everything. But whatever we do in Fiji or in the rest of the world is aligned on the priorities of the country. So I'm very happy that we work very well with the Ministry of Agriculture, and we make agriculture a priority because it's a priority for Fiji. If it's a priority for Fiji, it becomes a priority for the European Union action in Fiji. The next word I want to share with you is about partnership. Because whatever we do, we always do it in partnership. And in this case, we chose to partner with the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. It's self-evident, of course, because this is a farming project, and they are the best place in the whole world of organizations, international or regional, to assist you in this matter. The main point is to make a difference for the communities, and I think we have managed to achieve that. Here we're improving lives, and we're giving you opportunities that you would not have had without this project. So we work for the communities. You are proud of being farmers. Try to attract new people on this very important sector, because it is really a sector which contributes to make the future of this country better. So today, the Madhuvani farmers will go down in the history books of being the first recipient of the rice harvester that has been provided to us by the European Union through FAO. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank Excellency for coming down in here in Madhuvani, and I'm sure that he will always cherish this particular visit here today. And my pleasure to receive this particular harvesters, the 40 rice harvesters, combined harvesters on behalf of government from the head of delegation of the European Union.
Oh, they feel bags you have like the double. I feel both. Huh?
Yes. They can close this.
Dual